So we're gonna do brow tutorial. We're gonna use 3 different techniques. So we're gonna do the powder brow, the pencil brow, and the pomade brow. This first one is the powder brow. This is the Anastasia brow powder duo. I like this one because I like the powder brow because this is really like low maintenance. You just fill in and go. You don't even have to clean it up. And when I say clean it up, I mean like grab your concealer and make it look real clean. But yeah, you don't have to do all that. You can just fill your brows in and be out the door. That's how it's looking. And then you're gonna see me clean it up with the concealer real quick, and I'll be back. Boom, this is the result of the powder. All right, we're gonna wipe that off and we're gonna go to the next, which is the pencil. Okay, so for the pencil, I like the pencil because you have a little more control and you can be a little more precise. So I just outline my eyebrow and then I go and start to fill it in. Okay, and then I'm gonna clean this one up too. So I'll be back. And then here you go. This is the pencil result. Okay, so the third and last one is the pomade. I love the pomade too because it reminds me of tint. And no matter how messy you get with the pomade, you can always, well, with anything you can clean it up, but with the pomade you just get like a real nice like tint kind of vibe going with that. So let's get into it. All right, and now we're gonna clean it up. And boom, this is the results with the pomade. With the pomade and the powder, I use the angle brush with the spoolie on the end. But yeah, let me know what y'all think.